If your MetaQuest 3 series controller is not working, don't worry. Try these 4 simple methods one by one. Method 1. Remove the battery for 30 seconds. Let's start with the easiest fix. Pick up your controller and look at the top edge. You'll find a small release button. Press it and the battery cover will pop open automatically. Now remove the AA battery and wait for about 30 seconds. Then insert the battery again. If you have a new AA battery, it's a good idea to use that instead. Close the battery cover and check if your controller is working again. Method 2. Restart your headset. If the controller is still not working, restart your headset. Open the menu and select Settings. Now go to General. On the right side, scroll down and tap on Power. And then restart your headset. Now tap Restart to confirm your action. Method 3. Update your headset. Make sure your headset is running the latest software. Open the settings. Go to General and then tap Software Update on the right side. If an update is available, download and install it. Once the update is complete, restart your headset and check if your controller is working normally. Method 4. Reset your controller and pair it again. If the controller is still not working, the next thing you should do is reset the controller and pair it again. First, reset the controller. If you are using the right controller, press and hold the Meta button and the B button together for a few seconds. If you are using the left controller, press and hold the menu button and the Y button together for a few seconds. This will put the controller into pairing mode and refresh its wireless connection. After that, open the Meta Horizon app on your phone and go to the headset menu. Then select your device. Here, make sure it's connected to your headset. Now open your headset settings. Tap Controllers. Now select the controller that's not working and unpair it. Then pair it again by following the on-screen instruction. Once the pairing process is complete, check if your controller is working properly. So guys, if none of these methods solve the problem, the controller may have hardware issue and you should contact Meta support for further assistance. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.